how to fix the privacy error on Roblox mobile. Now what we want to do is just first load up the Roblox application here, and once we have Roblox open, we will select more in the bottom right corner, and then here we want to scroll down until we see the option for settings. Just click on settings like so, and here you see a bunch of options, but we want to go to privacy. Just click on privacy like so. And here, if you have the privacy error, then this is probably going to be turned on, so account restrictions. So we just want to toggle this off like so by pressing on the button itself. And once it has been toggled off, we want to change communication to default here, and it's going to show us this. So who can message me, friends, who can text me, friends, and who can chat with me, everyone. Or if you want to personalize this, you can just select all of the different options here, and you can make it to everyone like this. So everyone, and then here we can just leave it as friends. And now you will no longer get the privacy error on Roblox mobile. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.